is Dr. Castrate the Cutter. And what I do here in this video is castrate the cat. So not to upset all those people out there in YouTube land, I have performed this operation, very difficult. This operation to castrate the cat. I have put it in a bag and only let the tail protruding so that nobody sees what I do. I am using very delicate surgical instruments to take the balls. You got the balls of the cat. Please understand, for all you humanitarian cat lovers out there, this is a real cat. Here is the surgery. There.